Hi there, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a recycle project or a science project or a geography or EVS project. The best thing of this DIY is that you can work with it with different age groups and in different ways. Only the explanation will be changed. For a KG or grade 1 student, it could be an EVS project. For grade 2-3, it could be geographical feature project. For higher grades, it could be a science project where acid and base react to make salt and water. This is nothing new. You must have seen so many ways to make 3D projects, but this is mine. For this, you need an empty water bottle, a disposable glass or paper glass, some crepe paper of brown and black color. To make the body of the project, I will use auto-degradable shopping bag. If you want, you can even use tissue paper or paper, but I prefer this. Then we need some glue, a pair of scissors, cutter, and few things from your kitchen. This is red food color, then vinegar and bicarbonate of soda that we usually use in our dishes. Come on, let's begin our work. First of all, we need to cut the neck of this bottle. For this, we need a paper cutter. It would be better if you heat the tip of the paper cutter a bit so it will move easily. You can see it now. You can even mark it with a black marker so it will cut straight. Now you need to remove the base of this disposable glass as well. Now stick this bottle on a piece of cardboard. I have taken the piece of a cereal box. Put some glue, fix the bottle. We also have to fix the disposable glass over here. Put some glue on the edges of the disposable glass and put it upside down to give a base to the body of the project. It will take some time to settle down, but we can continue our work, and we are going to cut the auto-degradable bag into pieces to attach it to the body of the project. Here I have cut it into pieces. It would be better if your bag is a bit softer so it will stick easily. We would also need some tissue paper to settle it a bit. So come on, let's start making it now. To stick it, we will obviously need some glue, but do not take the glue in its original form. Mix some water, make it slurry. You can see the consistency. Don't keep it so thick, otherwise it will not work properly. Now let's start sticking the tissue paper. Take a piece of tissue paper, dip it into the glue and fix the base of the disposable glass. After fixing the base, make a ball of the shopping bag, dip it into the glue and start putting it on the base of the project. If you use polythene bag for 3D projects, so the weight of the project remains light and it's easier for children to carry it anywhere. Cover it with a layer of tissue paper to fix it properly. You can use some glue and even water to give it a good shape. Make another layer with the shopping bag to give it a mountain shape, and then again cover it with tissue paper and then with crepe paper. Right, now you can see the color and the texture of the crepe paper. You need to crush it a bit and then fix it on your model. Use water and glue to give it a good shape and to fix it properly. Once it will be dry, it will be so good and hard enough that it will give a feel of a mountain. Here you go, it's ready, but it's not dried. You need to keep it overnight to be dried. And now we have to do our experiment. We need some bicarbonate of soda or soda bicarbonate, easily available in your kitchens. I have already put some food color inside. Now I'm putting this soda inside. Bicarbonate of soda is alkaline in nature, so it will work as a base for us. Now it's time to pour some vinegar. You can use any vinegar. I have this one, so I'm putting this. And here you go. Vinegar has acetic acid. That's why it's reacting with the base. Base and acid react to make salt and water. And here is your lava coming out. For KG and grade 1, you can show this as an EVS project or even as a geographical feature that we have volcanoes that erupt lava. And for higher grades, you can give the chemistry of this reaction that acid and base are reacting together to make salt and water. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked it. Hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, so please like the video. Try it with your students and your kids. Share your feedback with me. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. Don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.